Ancient and Unbroken, the history of the 5 Oriental Orthodox Churches. In the cradle of early Christianity, long before the divisions of East and West, 5 ancient churches flourished, guardians of apostolic tradition, martyrs for the faith, and keepers of a rich theological heritage. This is the story of the Oriental Orthodox Churches, a communion born in unity, tested in controversy, and preserved in the blood of saints. The Apostolic Foundation, the Oriental Orthodox Churches, trace their roots directly to the apostles. The Coptic Orthodox Church of Alexandria was founded by Saint Mark the Evangelist, in the 1st century. The Syriac Orthodox Church of Antioch honors Saint Peter as its first bishop. The Armenian Apostolic Church was established by all saints Thaddeus and Bartholomew. The Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church received the gospel through Frumentius, ordained by Saint Athanasius. The Eritrean Orthodox Tewahedo Church, once part of the Ethiopian Church, became autocephalous in 1993. All 5 maintain apostolic succession and the ancient liturgies of the early Church. The Council of Chalcedon, a defining moment, 451 AD. The defining moment for the Oriental Orthodox came at the Council of Chalcedon. While affirming the Nicene Creed, these churches rejected the Chalcedonian definition, fearing it divided the one nature of Christ. They affirmed instead miaphysitism, that in the one person of Christ, divinity and humanity are united without confusion, without change, without division, and without separation. From this, the Oriental Orthodox were labeled non-Chalcedonian and became distinct from both Eastern Orthodox and Roman Catholic churches. The churches in their homelands: Coptic Orthodox Church, Egypt. Suffering under Roman persecution, Islamic rule, and modern trials, the Coptic Church has remained a pillar of Egyptian Christianity. Its desert fathers inspired monasticism throughout the world. Syriac Orthodox Church, Syria and Mesopotamia, known for the Syriac language of Jesus, the church preserved Aramaic liturgy and theology. Despite persecution and diaspora, its voice echoes in monasteries from Tur Abdin to India. Armenian Apostolic Church, the first nation to adopt Christianity as a state religion in 301 AD. Despite genocide and dispersion, it remains the spiritual heart of Armenia. Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church, rich with Judaic Christian traditions, Ethiopian Orthodoxy developed unique liturgical chants, fasting traditions, and biblical canons, including the Book of Enoch. Eritrean Orthodox Tewahedo Church, a younger but deeply traditional church, it shares theology and heritage with Ethiopia while facing state oppression in modern times. Modern relations and unity. Today, the Oriental Orthodox churches form a unified communion, recognizing each other's sacraments and hierarchy. Dialogue with the Eastern Orthodox and Roman Catholic churches has brought mutual understanding, especially around Christological terms. Persecution, migration, and ecumenism have spread their presence worldwide, from Cairo to California, Addis Ababa to Australia. The history of the Oriental Orthodox churches is a story of endurance. Not political power, but faithfulness. Not dominance, but sacrifice. In their ancient chants and living traditions, the voice of the early church still sings. From the cross of Christ to the cross of each believer, these churches bear the mark of an unbroken faith. May their light continue to shine in every age. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and any comments